Hey, good morning, fellas. How we doing? How are we doing? John, NP, Amit, Trader J, Namak, good morning, good morning. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, let me get my ducks in a row here. All right. Hey, Alan Sutton, Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Bob Means, good morning. D Tucker, good morning. If I traded PPI, I did not. I overslept. I was not very happy about it either. Oh my gosh. I had full plans to trade and try to pass some evals. But I'm trying to look. We had this wick lower. Sometimes when it does that, I don't know if it would have worked or not. But it looks like we had like a spike lower maybe, and then it ripped higher, I assume. Which sometimes that's usually not a good thing. Hey, Amelia, good morning. Uncle Carico, good morning. Tech 111, good morning. Hey, nice. You're done for the day. Rip Avocados, good morning. Vider, good morning. How we doing, fellas? Let's have a good day. Oh, man. If I traded overnight? No, I did not. I did not take any trades at all. Haven't taken a single trade yet today. I kind of like to usually trade some pre-market. I usually like the price action, but just didn't get up in time. I was up kind of late last night. We're doing the final plans on our Jamaica trip next. So next Saturday in a week, we're going to be leaving for Jamaica for a week on a mission trip. Oh, really? So on the news? No way, Black Coffee. What? You're trailing. Oh, yeah, you're not going to want to use a trailing stop on news. Never. We'll be careful. The area of Jamaica that we're going is pretty safe. So I feel pretty good about it. Is today a bull trap? I don't know. It's going to be an interesting. I kind of don't really. I'm not sure I trust this. I wouldn't be shocked if we make a move lower, but we'll just wait and see what happens. Not looking to really trade anything till after maybe 10 o'clock, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, Montego Bay, that's where we're coming in. Our resort where we're staying is maybe think it's like 40 minutes from Montego Bay. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. But man, there's a lot to plan. Our church youth is what's going, and we're going to be building a home for someone down there. Wear plenty of protection. Yeah, I'm going to get burnt if I'm going to wear like 50, 100 proof sunscreen, or I'm going to get roasted. Okay, Ocho Rios. Yep. Apex is not letting you use my debit again. How do I purchase more than one account? I mean, you have to repeat it. You can only buy one at a time. But that's probably your bank that's stopping the purchases, not Apex. Oh, the bug spray? Yeah, we were warned about that. They have red-eye mosquitoes and are ruthless. Okay, good to know. We do have plenty of bug spray along. We were warned. One of our friends actually just came back from the same trip. And yeah, they warned us the bugs are bad. So we'll have to make sure we take care of that. Hey, Wayne, good morning. How long is the flight? 4 hours, I think. All right, pulling back a little bit more here. If I have the rhythmic commission set up in NinjaTrader, yes, Old Man Candles. Yep, I set all my commissions up in NinjaTrader. That way everything's correct. I like when all my balances and everything match perfectly with rhythmic. So yeah, I have everything. I have all my commission structure, everything set up in NinjaTrader. Hey, good morning, Black Beauty. Good morning. How we doing? Wait, Nutty gets the big screen. Myth gets the main desktop screen. Alpine gets the laptop. I am honored if I get the big screen. Let's go. How did you set up commissions? Pretty simple. You just go up here to your settings, go down to commissions, and then this is going to pop up. And then I usually go to NinjaTrader brokerage free, and you do copy, and then here you rename it to whatever you want it to be. Obviously, you have to know what your commission structure is, and then go down, find your symbols. For example, let's just do ES. You click on ES, you go edit, And then per unit commission for Apex is $1.99. You just put that in there, you hit apply, and then okay. And then you have to go on each account. You have to right click, edit account, and then add that commission structure to that account. That's the key. You have to add the commission structure. That commission you just created, you have to edit each account, right click, edit, and go and select the commission for that account. Then everything will work. Yeah, 10 MQ at a time, those commissions add up really fast. I know they do. It's kind of crazy. You can add commissions as a column too, true. Yeah, if you want to see specifically how much you're spending on commissions, you can do that as well. All right, market. I'm really curious what we're going to do right here at the open. Is it going to rip lower, or is it just going to make a move and rip to new highs? It's kind of hard to tell. Was the news bullish? I mean, I assume it was because we ripped higher. I actually don't pay that much attention to the news, like what comes out. I just look at how the market reacts and I go from there. All right, market is about to open. 20 more seconds. How much are you up in your off-stream accounts? I mean, right now I haven't traded any accounts yet. But right now my off-stream account balances are like 23, 22, 22, 22, 21. You can look at my recap video from yesterday if you want to know. And we're open for business. Looks like we're going lower, folks. Looks like we're going lower. Maybe. At least initially it looked that way. I kind of wouldn't mind seeing a nice pullback. From 9:30 to 10 o'clock, and then around 10:30 or 10:30 we see a retrace and test the highs. That would be like my preferred price action this morning, but we'll see. All right, pulling back to the 240s here. Hey, just passing the eval as well. Let's go, Mitch Martin. Can't pay for it now? Well, then just passing that was asking for ID verification. Oh, I see. Yeah, you just have to submit a support ticket, Mitch Marvin. It's a known issue. So just submit a support ticket and they'll fix it for you. Hey, Trip Candy, let's go. You're the hero of the day. Thank you, man. I do appreciate it, Trip Candy, and wish you much, much luck. And here we go. Not that big of a pullback. Pull back to the 230s. Now ripping higher. Hey, R5 Studios, good morning. Neo, good morning. Marty, Grim Trades, QQ, good morning. Let's get it. All right, are we just going to rip straight to new highs here? It does appear that way. And I'm hoping it'll pull back. I wouldn't mind if it pulled back to like the 170s here. I would like that. What a rangy, choppy day we had yesterday. That was crazy. Tell you what, this market has been... It's been nothing short of... It's been entertainment, that's for sure. If you don't like what you see, just wait, because it'll change. If I use VPS, I don't know what that means, so I assume I don't. We got a bond at 1 o'clock again. Bond auction. Hey, TCG Andy, good morning. Mr. V, good morning. All right, let's see. If we rip, just make new highs here, then we gotta be... Obviously, I'm going to be bullish. But I'm just going to wait. I'm not trading. Every time I take a trade between 9:30 and 10, I lose lots and lots of money. So we're just going to let this settle. We're going to chill and watch what happens. Hey, good morning, Pan American Models. Good morning. If I think it's a bull trap, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't need... Okay, bond auction at 1. Got it. Hey, Kristen, you're up 300 pre-market. Nice, nice. Sometimes that's a sign just to call it a day, man. Hey, Orlando, good morning. Boss here in New York today. Okay, hey, that's something you got to do what you got to do. I'm also going to not be streaming that long today. Today and tomorrow. So tomorrow we have our annual benefit auction that I'm not really in charge of it, but basically I have to. It's a long story, but I basically got to go do a lot of things today and tomorrow to get ready for the auction that we have going on. The PPI news was a whipsaw. Yeah, it kind of looked, I wasn't here for it, but it looked that way. Pass one eval and blew another. Yeah, that's oftentimes when we have this kind of whip lower and then rip higher, like it's kind of 50-50 on if you're going to pass an eval or not. It can fill you on the way up or on the way down, and depending which one, you're going to blow the account versus pass it. Win a day with Nutty auction. So on the auction, I do the clerking. So I record all the transactions, and then I set up, basically I do the clerking part of the auction. That's what I do. So I guess it is what it is. Okay, are we going to pull back? Gosh, it's so tempting to go long right here. Oh, I'm glad I didn't. I said I'm not trading right now. Don't do it. Hold me accountable, guys. Gary Moore up 397 for the day. Let's go. Nicely done, Gary. Hey, Ouchifi, good morning. Malachi, good morning. Forgive the new question. How do you set a buy when price hits a certain value? First time ever using trading software other than just watching price. So you want to, I'm actually not, maybe, if you right click, you know what? I don't really use it because I have this chart trader which does it for me. Can someone help Melville? And because I don't have the option here when I don't have the other chart trader. I don't know, man. It's right click, and I think what trading software? The chart trader here is from Affordable Indicators. You do have to pay for it, so it is kind of expensive, but yeah, I use that, and it kind of simplifies things for me. But this is Ninja Trader, but then it's a special indicator for Ninja Trader from Affordable Indicators. Yeah, okay, right click and then do buy stop. Thank you, Hard Hat Trading. Thank you. I knew it was something right click and I couldn't remember what it exactly was called. Okay, we have failed to make new highs. So that is interesting. We barely made new lows too, so nothing to get too excited about if you're looking for shorts. All right. I mean, whatever we do today, can we please just not trade in the 15-minute opening range all day long? Not a big fan of that. Hey, you just passed 4 evals. Let's go. MRX. Good shit. Good stuff. MIT is like a stop for a pullback. Okay. Yeah, then you can drag the order up and down. Can't trade this rubbish. I agree. I agree. We are just gonna chop city right now. Do we have news? Okay, we have 10 o'clock. There's Barkin. Man, these FOMC members. I mean, geez, can they just stop yapping all the time? Hey, Steve K. No problem. Hey, Tabak. Good morning. Good morning. How we doing? How my morning is going? Okay. I mean, like, not really any comment. I haven't taken a trade yet. I didn't take a trade pre-market, and I'm just sitting here twiddling my thumbs. This is hard to trade. I mean, the fact we haven't pulled back more is a pretty good sign for the bulls. So I guess we will see. See if they keep it going. I'm gonna get and back down we go. Unreal. Only thing I can think of to do is to this this 230 area is kind of holding up right now. I could take a stab long, just enter on at 230 here. But one thing, guys, okay, one thing I've noticed in the last 2-3 weeks, when we have kind of this kind of opening, like this opening isn't really that much. There's not that much happening. Like if we're just kind of chopping, going back and like going sideways. I've noticed when that happens, usually the breakout move happens around 10:30. It's weird. I've noticed that. Usually the breakout happens like pretty much precisely when once I enter the trade, then it breaks out the opposite way. That's usually usually the sign. If I've tried using range bars or tick bars, I've looked into it, but not that interested in it. Just not for me. Hey, Kenneth, good morning. Don't trade the chop. True. True. But as long as we hold the 230s here, then, I mean, that's a pretty good sign for the bulls. If we don't pull back more than that, I would sure think we're going to test the highs of the day here, but wouldn't mind a pullback to like the 170, 160 area. We'll just wait and see. Here we go. Do you want to test this 230 area again? See if it holds. Yeah, Eddie Keller. I've noticed that. Like I've noticed we could do kind of a around 10:30. The market can usually kind of has picked a direction. All right, it's making another move higher. See if this 230 holds. Hey, good morning, Jim Brown. Good morning. And back up we go. Man, this price, it's just not much happening. Hey, good morning, John. Yeah, it's crazy how fast it seemed like. I mean, it was. Last week we were at 9,000 subs, and now we're already halfway to. Now we're at 9,000, almost 9,500. It's crazy. You guys have been awesome. Yeah, hit the like button. Don't be scared. Don't be scared to hit the like button. I do appreciate it. Oh, this is crazy. We can't get above the 260s. We can't get below the 230s. But if I was a betting man, I'd be going long. Yeah, you remember 3K, John? Oh yeah. It's actually not been that. Let me look. Cuz now I'm kind of curious. Okay, here we go. Can we hold and break through here? All right, there it goes. Maybe. It's trying. It's trying to break through. Hey, good morning, Sharuz. Pathak, good morning. Yeah, I noticed design wasn't. I hope a design is okay. I know he had a really rough day a couple days ago, and I hope he's just taking some time off. And if you're listening, design, we miss you, and I hope you're okay. But it's totally okay to take some time off. All right, I want to look. Where were we at? So in August, we hit 3,000 subs. Let's go. Look at this. Now we're pulling back. Unbelievable. We just cannot get through. Makes me actually want to short this. If we can't get through here, we're gonna pull back more, you would think. But for now, we'll wait. Hey, let's get it, heyo. Let's get it. Hey, we're only 520. 525 subs away. You know what? It's kind of. So next week, obviously next week, I'll be streaming next week. I'm not sure if I'll be able to stream on Friday because we're going to be having a lot going on Friday, just getting ready to basically Saturday morning at 3 a.m. is when we head for the airport. And then obviously that next week, I won't be streaming at all. So I'm afraid that we're going to hit 10,000 subs when I'm in Jamaica. So I'm going to post I'll have to do a community post, be like, no one sub the week I'm gone. We don't want to hit 10K subs when I'm not here. I'm just kidding. I'll be okay with it. We'll celebrate when we get back. And we also have another really major milestone that we're going to hit when I'm in Jamaica. So April 23rd, which is when I'm in Jamaica, April 23rd will mark the 1-year anniversary of when I started doing live streams, which is crazy. So we're going to have when I get back from Jamaica, we're going to have a celebration giveaway for the 1-year anniversary. We're going to have a celebration giveaway for hitting 10K subs. So we're going to be lit. It's going to be lit when we get back. Going to be lots of giveaways. Going to give away all my money. Just kidding. I'm not going to do that. Hey, thank you, Sharuz. Yeah, Kid Poker, you might have been there for the first stream, honestly. You might have been. Now, I had one stream. This is actually kind of cringy when I watch myself because I'm like, no. Hang on. No, wait. I have my dates wrong? You gotta be kidding me. Dude, April 10th. Why did I have it marked on my calendar as April 23rd? April 10th was my first actual live stream. April 10th. Now, this is what's cool. Because I remember this. Here, guys, I got to show you guys. Market's not doing anything anyway. Right here, this was my first live stream. And it was April 10th, 2023. Oh my gosh. But here's I remember this because I streamed for 6 hours and 20 minutes. And not one person chat. Not one person typed in the chat all day long. Feels bad, man. Here we are a year later. Look where we've gone. But that is crazy. So April 10th, yesterday, a year ago, we're at our anniversary. Unbelievable, guys. That's crazy. I only have 2 likes on the video. Only 2 likes. That's probably my wife and I don't know who else. Okay, let's go to the next video because I remember. See, this video doesn't have any likes because I remember when okay, this one doesn't have the comments. That's weird. And remember, I was trading ES. I was using the sniper system. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Here, let's check this. Live chat replay was turned off for this video. Well, that's unfortunate. I want to get to a video where we can see some chats. I can see who is in the chat. Let's go like a week later because I think it was like a week before we actually had some people in the chat. Here, so Digital, he said sup. It's literally the only person that commented. Oh my gosh. Streamed for a full 5 hours, had 1 comment. Oh, them were the days. And let's just go like a month later. On the live chat I don't know why I turned it off on some of those. I don't remember doing that, but it's unfortunate. Anyway, I don't want to bore you guys, but just reminiscing. It's crazy. Who was my first sub? I don't know. I wish I knew. But hey, that's the thing. I think I streamed for a good 3 weeks before I saw any kind of traction. And that by traction, I mean, I would get like 2, 3, 4 viewers, you know, and I'd be like, I would see 5 viewers and I'd be like, whoa, I got 5 viewers, you know, and that was something. Digital, he's still here? Dude, okay, we need to give Digital a round of applause. Now that is OG right there. Digital, dude, that's awesome. That is absolutely awesome. We just saw him, like he was the first guy that commented and he's still here. That is so cool. Okay, market is making a move now, but Digital, that is awesome. You know what, Digital? Send me an email. Digital, just send me an email. That's so awesome. But I know there was a lot of you that were, I remember, oh, I wish I could, I wish, you know, I really, really wish I could see how long people are sub for, but I can't. I need to make a bad. I wish I could. I really need to figure out some of this YouTube stuff, like how to do it so that you guys can have a specific, like a badge or something. Like after you're sub for a year, you get a special badge or something. Like, I don't know. Does YouTube do that? I just need to find out. Yeah, Kid Poker. I remember. But I remember Kid Poker, Design, Alpine. Alpine was one of the OGs. Alpine was here right almost maybe a month in. But, oh, that's pretty awesome. Man, it's tempting here to, if we can hold right here, I get the 230s again. I'm not doing it. But for those that want, it is a little bit after 10 o'clock now. Hey, Digital. I appreciate, man. I appreciate you hanging out for that long. That's awesome. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Yes, Digital. Yep. You know, it's actually really good for me to like look back. I like to look back and reminisce because it kind of keeps you grounded because, or it just reminds me. It reminds me of how blessed I am, really, because I remember back then I thought, hey, if I get 1,000 subs in my first year, I'll be happy. And it's grown to something way more than that, and it's just crazy. Possible to see the first stream you did? Yeah, it's Steve. If you guys can all see the every stream. Every stream I've ever done is still on the channel. You just go to my channel and go to the videos, the live videos, and sort by oldest, and you'll see everything. I don't think I've ever deleted a video, unless it was like an accidental 2-minute live video that I've done a couple times. And here we go, off the 230s and trying to make a move higher. What a crappy open. My goodness. Just nothing going on. I'm going to wait. I am not trading this. I'm going to wait until we break out. Also got to be careful not to get faked out on this kind of... You mean you don't erase the bad days? LOL. Hey, I wouldn't have much content on YouTube if I did. Just kidding. No, I don't. It's all on there. You know, you could go through my videos and make a compilation of terrible trades that would probably be like a 2-hour long video. No, I remember specifically some of them. But do you know what's crazy? I was going back, I was reminiscing, and I was watching a video from August of last year. And I was watching that video, and I actually still remember specifically, like I saw myself take a trade, and I still like remember like that trade. I still remembered it. And I still remember the comments in the comment section. I still remembered. I'm like, geez, that's crazy. And don't tell my wife that because she thinks I have a terrible memory. So, if I work from home, yes, Sarith, I do. I do. I work from home. I'm a part-time, not part-time. I'm a 50% owner of a small business. And for that business, I do the drawings and the financials for it. which I am able to do everything from home. Usually I do my work before stream and after stream, but sometimes something comes up that I have to send emails, update drawings, stuff like that that I do during stream or during my trading. We've lost the 230s now. Can we actually, I don't even mind which direction this goes. I just want it to break out. I just don't want to see this continued choppiness. But now that we actually, our anniversary was yesterday, man, I want to do a giveaway now. We might just have to do a unplanned giveaway today. John, I can imagine. And that's like, when I watch back some of the videos, especially some of the big losses, like, I'm like, man, I took it so hard. And I still do. Even now, I look back sometimes and I look back sometimes and I'm like, I actually trade with I should trade with a little bit less emotion. I get pretty animated when I'm in a trade and it starts going against me. So I might need to work on that. You guys want to do a chocolate giveaway? Unplanned giveaway for the OGs. Actually, I kind of like that idea. Maybe we'll do, what do you think, guys? Should we do a giveaway? Like, how, I'm trying to think. Like, you have to be subbed for 6 months or 3 months. Maybe we'll do 2 giveaways. We'll do 2 giveaways, one for everyone and one for the OGs. I think that'd be fair. Ponzi is in the house. Ladies and children first. Do 6 months trip candy. All right. You have to have at least 50 nutty points to qualify. I thought about doing that too. You could. Hey, Ron7276, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Now everybody's going to check their points before they comment on if that's a good idea or not. But we'll do one. We'll do one giveaway where everyone is eligible. Okay, everyone will be eligible. But more. This is more. How do we do it for the OGs? You get points. Yes, you do. Here, let me look. How many points do I have by now? This is going to be embarrassing. I don't have many points. You have 18 points. That's just terrible. And we're slowly just drifting lower. Nothing major. What are the points? I don't know. They're just, I don't know what. It's just a way to track how interactive you are in chat and how interactive you are in on the channel, I think, and then also just it's a bragging right, that's all. Kid poker. uh it means you talk too much. No, you talk just enough. Yeah, I'm not actually sure how the points are calculated. I'm really not. Steve, yeah, I was. I did. I tried quite a bit of I mean, I went through a lot of different things, I guess. And okay, now we're continuing to pull back. This is actually good. Let's just see how big the pullback's going to be. Once we failed once we failed up here, felt like we were going to pull back a little bit more. Hey, Wanderer, how we doing? Good morning. Why are we typing points? Just because, you know, that's what people want to see, how many points they have. That's it. Sorry, excuse me. Hey, nice if you took that short. Very nice trade. Basically, as soon as we broke below the 15-minute range, would have been a really good short. Congrats if you took it. Now, let's see if the 170 here will offer any kind of support. Miss your initial entry, took your FOMO breakout trade on that short. Hey, sometimes it works. Yeah, the breakout trades for me never work, but they do work. I know they work, but for me, I have a hard time with it. Hang on, I got to take this call. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. That was my brother. Needed a good conversation. All right. Let's talk about it. What do we got going on here, market? Looks like we went right down to the 170s precisely. And now we are trying to make a move higher again, I guess. You thought we were teaching you to read lips. I was not. I was muted on purpose, okay? Oh, thank you, Kid Poker. I knew I could count on you. I knew the Masters, it was delayed, but man, I'm going to be watching the Masters on the side here, so where can I watch it? Do you have to watch it on the Masters app, right? Is he coming Jamaica? If that wasn't on purpose, we would have charged you a hefty fine today, perhaps. I would have deserved it. I would have deserved it. CBS Sports, okay? How much points design has? I can. All righty, boys, where are we at? Design has 359 points. Wanderer, you are second at 313 points. And then John at 307, and then Black Coffee Trader at 237. Matty Matt at 209, K Trader, Rad Poker, Paint Bar Trading, QQ, My Daily Trading Journal, Traderist Chick. All right. Nice group of people we got here. All right. We need to focus on some trading here. I wouldn't mind taking a trade sometime today. Trick Candy. Why am I so far? I'm not sure. See, I don't really know how and why the points are the way they are. I don't know. What are you doing wrong, Trip Candy? I don't know. I wish I knew. I only have 18 points, so don't ask me. All right. All right, I should have taken the. I think it's fair to say we can look for longs here. Hey, considering how much I type in chat, that is true. Why would I type in chat? Because I can just talk. That push higher save your P&L for the day. Nice, Wanderer. Hey, that's awesome. Oh. All right. If we pull back again here, I'm going to take a stab at it. Yes, 30-year bond auction at 1 p.m. Excuse me. Hey, good morning, Speed Racer. How we doing? I am unmuted. What are you talking about? Don't trust it. Nutty market makers watching me. Yeah, I know. They're always watching me. We just got to live with it. But yeah, the market is definitely just kind of, I don't know, it's not that exciting right today. I mean, this was still a nice move lower. Breakout trade below the 15-minute range would have paid nice, would have been nice. I remember at one time, it was all the rage of doing the 15-minute opening range trade where you have your 15-minute opening range, and as soon as price goes through it and then retests it, that's where you enter and, you know, supposedly paid millions. But it worked and it worked and then it didn't work. Who's watching? SWAT is waiting outside. Yikes. I hope not. And there we go. Did not get the pullback. Hmm. Very interesting. All right. Can we get a It's now looking like this little, I hate when when the market does what I want it to do, but then I don't take a trade. Hey, Johnny B, what do you think were some of the biggest contributors to developing that consistency? It's a good question, Johnny B. I mean, it's kind of weird. Like, I've actually been asking myself that. I think, I honestly, probably if I had to put like the biggest thing to it, it would be probably the fact that I'm trading the accounts only one at a time. Back in the day, I would use the copy trader and trade all of them. And basically what happened is I was unwilling to take a loss. And that unwillingness to take and accept a loss just really, and not only was I didn't want to take a loss, but I traded with fear. Like, fear was my biggest hurdle in my trading. So then using a copy trader created even more fear. So I would have a hard time being patient on my trades, and I would cut my winners short, and my losers, I would have a hard time accepting a loss. And now, like, one of the big shifts was once I switched to only trading one account at a time, and also in combination with that, I changed it kind of where I allow myself on that one account to have I'm going to say like $600 to $800 loss on that one account, which allows me to have a really big stop loss. And if I feel like I'm on the right side of the market, I can hold through some drawdown where I don't get stopped out and shot in the tick like I do sometimes. Now, I will not always like if I enter a trade and I don't like it and it starts going against me, then I'll just kill it. Like, I won't take a $600 loss on every single trade that goes against me. But if I feel like, hey, I like the trade, I still think I'm on the right side of it, I'll let it ride through some pretty big drawdown. Now sometimes it doesn't work, and then I have to take a big loss. And actually, it's been a while since that has happened, which, knock on wood, I know it's coming and it's okay. But being okay with that, where I am totally fine if I take a $600 to $800 loss on one account. Now, if I was using a copy trader and taking an $800 loss on all of my accounts, that is a different story. So then I wouldn't be willing to do. So that fear, I kind of circumvented and got over my fear of trading, like, in that way. Excuse me. Like, that just really made such a big difference. And I started trading more with without that fear. Like, not that I didn't care, but almost like a carefree trade, like a carefree trading attitude. And I think there's a happy medium. But if you have fear when trading, it is really difficult to make money. That is one thing I will stick with. Like, I am a very, very firm believer in that. If you trade with fear, it is very difficult to be consistently profitable. So I just had more of a carefree attitude when I trade. And if I lose an account, I try to be more about keeping it in perspective, and just moving on to the next one. I mean, I started out with these accounts. What did we have? I mean, we had 15 accounts that, I mean, they only had $500 of drawdown left, and we've lost 13 of them. And it's like, hey, it's fine. So Yeah, buy GME. Scared money don't make money. That's exactly right. Now, and there's a balance, because if you go too far to the other way, then you start to deal with greed. And I think every trader like naturally struggles with either fear of trading, or they struggle with greed in trading. So if you struggle with being greedy in trading, you know, I don't really know what that's like. I don't really deal with that, so I'm not going to comment on it. But if you struggle with fear, that I can definitely talk about. And it just makes that's kind of what clicked for me, where I'm like, man, I'm just going to trade more carefree. And if I lose an account, so be it. Not to make such a big deal about it. But if you lose one account, it isn't really that big of a deal. But if you're copy trading 20 accounts and you lose 20 accounts, then it is a big deal. So, you know, it's a big step. It's a big difference. All right, we got our pullback. Might get a, see if we can maybe pull back to the EMA, and then we'll see if we can jump in here. I'm gonna put an order right here, see if we can get filled. I'm not gonna, I'm just gonna get in. There's no need to get fancy. We sit through a little bit of drawdown, that's fine. I mean, here, I don't know where I keep my stop, somewhere right there. It only filled one. Yeah, exactly, Lonnie Huff. And Alpine, watching Alpine, that really helped to like put it in perspective that you're losing your fee, not the 2,500. That definitely helped. Like Alpine, I definitely learned a lot watching Alpine and how he trades. I also changed a little bit my trading style, where I'm doing a little bit more of a scalping method. I'm not, like, if I'm being completely honest, I don't prefer to be scalping as much, and I actually changed my price target is actually, I have a ATM strategy where I scalp for 13 ticks, and I also have one that I scalp for 22 ticks. And the last, like, when I'm being a little more aggressive with my trading, I use the 22 ticks. And the last like week, I've been using the ATM with 22 ticks of take profit, which obviously adds up. But I was looking at my trades, and I realized that on most of my trades, I can get like 13. I'm leaving, you know, I can get like 20 ticks take profit usually. So I changed that a little bit, but we'll see. All right. See if we can't get some momentum here. This might. Come on, boys. Big green boner candle. You know we like to see it. Big green boner candle. Let's go. I'm buying 50K of evals with 80% discount. My question is how much money I will have to pay if I will not pass to PA account in dollar. Sorry, cool kid. I'm a little confused by what you're asking. If you're asking what the activation fee is for a 50K account, if it's a Rhythmic account, the activation fee is $85 per month or $140 lifetime fee. And now we're, looks like we want to pull back. I don't like that. Hmm. As long as we hold here, I think we'll be fine. One trade per account broken into 2 or 3 5 micro scalps. Yeah, I kind of do. Depends if I'm being aggressive. Like today's the first day that I'm going to be more conservative with my accounts. I always scale down once I get, when I get around $300 to $400 close to my profit, withdrawal goal, then I scale down. Just because I don't know, it just goes better for me. See if this thing can get going. A little concerning that we didn't make new highs on this move higher, so got to be a little bit careful here. You're trying to 10 at a time. You're about to stroke out. Yep. It's just a different beast. It's a different ball game when you're trading 20 accounts at a time. It is. Even 10 accounts at a time. It's a different ball game. All right, this needs to hold. Okay, now we're testing this EMA. This is where we're gonna have to see, and I don't like that. I'm gonna give it some time. We are only in 2 contracts here, so we can hold through this a little bit more. If we were super aggressive, we could add here at the 22s or even the 30s. I don't think I'm going to be that aggressive though. Just not worth it. Does Apex have the best copy trader? I don't know. I don't use the Apex trade copier, so I don't really know enough to speak on it. Come on, rip it right here. This would be sweet. But this is a really good sign. We just got to get above. Got to make new highs, really. I'm not sure I'm going to hold to the new highs, but... OJ Simpson died? Is that real? Like, for real? Come on, rip it. Let's rip it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We got it. Had to sit through a little bit of drawdown. Hang on 1 second. All right, we're back. All right, we did make new highs, but again, we could not get above the 270s. I don't know what's up here stopping this, but it just can't seem to get above it. It's like the iron, it's like the steel wall. All right, I need to send this. All right. Lots of phone calls this morning. Hey, pulling back. I mean, we might get another entry here. I'm a little hesitant because of this 270. Again, we cannot seem to get through it. But I do. Okay, hang on. Now we gotta be. Let's just wait. I don't like this. Seeing some heavy selling right now. Ponzi is back. How do I submit a ticket to the help desk? Is it the chat box on Apex? It is. It's been a hot minute since I've issued a support ticket. I'm not even sure I've done it yet with their new website. But I think you go to help desk, and from help desk you go all the way to the bottom. And then more support. I don't even know. What? They're probably making it hard. Yeah, I click here for more support, and then it'll take you to a new page. Now, and then basically, if you still need to submit a help desk ticket, click I agree. Just keep clicking until you find it. Okay, man, do I jump in now? All right, I'm going to do it. We're going to have a pretty tight stop on this one. Don't do me like this. I'm a little scared that we might keep dumping here. Come on, Bulls, step back in here and let's go. Come on. Big green boner candle. We like him. I'm not going to let this one go in much drawdown from here. I'm just going to trail this. Come on, rip it. Yeah. All right, here we go. You know what? I'm happy with this. Just get me out. Fill the man. All right, we'll take that. We will take it. What is the monthly fee for 50Ks? 85. It's 105 for Trade accounts and $85 for Rhythmic. If I blow a top step account, do I still get billed after the 30 days? Christopher, yes, you do if you don't cancel the account. But you will get a fresh new account when you get rebilled. But yes. Can I explain my last trade? I mean, we pulled back, tested the EMA, and then that was it. We're in an uptrend, so I'm looking for longs. It's not rocket science. Apex payout. Yeah, I saw that Apex has another $1 million payout in April. They're going to be trying to get like $1 million payouts every month. I guarantee it. You'll love to see it. Malachi, no, you're fine. I don't mind. Again, don't. It's discretionary trading. It's not. I'm no genius. I'm no trading guru. I just trade what I see. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. The stream froze? Uh-oh. How come I'm up to 564 but in net liquidity you're up 276? Did you not figure in for commissions, David? I mean, it looks good on my end. Everything looks good on my end. You pay for trades. What do you mean? Pay for trades, Tame Tiger. I'm not sure what you mean. Commissions, yes. What did I say? Oh man, this is. I mean, I think we're gonna break above this 270. I really do. I think we're gonna rip through the 200s, or we're gonna rip through the 300s. But that's just my opinion. I've been wrong plenty of times. Okay, I was gonna do something. Oh, yes. Hang on. Oh, wow. We tried again to get above and we pulling back again. I tell you what, this 270 area is like a steel wall. The bears are saying, nope, not getting past us. Not today. Not today. You have 10 accounts with Apex, 2 150 accounts with Take Profit. Any thoughts on Take Profit as a prop firm? Isle Boy, I think Take Profit is, I think they're a great firm. Actually, they would probably be my second option. Outside of Apex, they would, the reason I like Take Profit is their payout policy is just, you will not find a better payout policy in this prop firm industry. You just won't. You can take withdrawals. The only thing is you have to wait until you're above the profit threshold in order to make a withdrawal. But once you're above it, you can make a withdrawal every single day and you get paid the next day. That's pretty impressive. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. And we pulling back again. I mean, now I'm thinking we might pull back more here because we failed twice. We've tested the 270s now twice and failed. Maybe we tested it a third time, but the bulls have got to be getting tired. Does my fund of futures force to go live after make a big withdrawal? I don't know. I haven't really done a lot of research on my fund of futures, to be honest. The max accounts you can have and take profit is 3. Which firm? Take Profit Trader has daily payouts. Okay, guys, we are gonna do a gift now. $100 giveaway. This is going to, we're gonna pick 10 people. We're gonna do the wheel. All right. Seems everybody likes doing the wheel. I kind of like it too. I get to torture my viewers just a little bit more. Hey, Brendan Douglas, how we doing? You're just in time for a giveaway. Exclamation mark, Nutty. Everything lowercase, and you will be entered to win. Good luck, everybody. The giveaway is open. Good luck. This giveaway is in celebration of our 1-year anniversary. Yesterday marked the 1-year anniversary that we went live. Crazy. Can't believe it's been a year. It's been a year since I've been live on YouTube. I can't believe it. We're almost at 10,000 subs, and here I was. My goal was 1,000 subs, so it's crazy. Oh my gosh, I was muted. Sorry. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. I was saying I have too many irons in the fire today. I have too many irons in the fire and things I'm trying to juggle. I'm trying to do everything. I'm actually going to probably have to end stream here before too long. But I wanted to do this. Giveaway yet. Hey, Sharoos, nice. 25K account passed. That's awesome. It's killing my internet. How do I send a chat? Okay, yeah, I asked it. All right, and we're back testing the EMA. I mean, again, this would definitely justify an entry here, but I keep, I don't know. I get more and more nervous every time we just barely make these new highs. I just don't like it. I don't think I'm going to take this. It's just not worth it. Giveaway's ending, folks. Wait, the giveaway has ended. Okay, sorry. Giveaway has ended. Hey, Solid Trader 7, thank you for the $2. I appreciate that. Thank you very Thank you very much, Solid Trader. I appreciate that. Okay, guys. We have let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. We're going to do do we want to do the Wheel of Names? Yeah, I think I said that's what we're going to do, so that's what we're going to do. All right, let's do it fast. Okay. First, we'll pick 10 people, and the 10 people will be added to the wheel, and then we will do the elimination on the wheel. So here we go. All right. Pick winner. First winner is, oh, look at that. Speed Racer. Good luck, Speed Racer. Love to see it. Let's pick another winner. Linus Kasinkas. I'm probably butchering that name, and I apologize. And the next one is Sling Trader. All right, very nice. Next one, Steve Maltez. Congratulations and good luck. Next one is R5 Studios. Let's go, R5 Studios. Man, I have this annoying cough. R5 Studios, let's go. Good luck, R5 Studios. We're seeing some OGs here. Wait, hello? Why can I not pick another winner? Something's weird. Don't worry about this. I'm just doing it so we can pick more winners. It's like picking them double for some reason. But this is not what's important. I have the winners on the wheel, so don't worry. All right, next winner, Brendan Douglas. Brendan Douglas. Let's go. All right, next one, Alan Liang. Congratulations and good luck. We do this just so we can torture our viewers a little bit longer. Next one is Biza Kara. I'm probably butchering that name. I apologize. Okay, next one. Nick Tubner. Nick Tubner. Okay, we have 2, 4, 6. We have one more. All right, final one to be entered on the wheel is Mooncatcher. All right. All right, boys. We got everyone on the wheel. It's time to spin that wheel. Does anybody know where that comes from? Spin that wheel. If you know, you know. Oh, man, this market's tempting me to enter, but I'm not doing it. All right, boys. This is an elimination game. If your name gets picked, you're booted, okay? So it is what it is. All right, here we go. Here we go. First one to be eliminated. Oh, I'm sorry, Brendan Douglas. I'm sorry. It was fun while it lasted. It was fun while it lasted. Where the price is right. No, that comes from Dude Perfect. Spin that wheel. All right, Brendan Douglas, thanks for playing. I'm sorry you didn't win. All right, here we go again. Next one to be eliminated is... Oh, boy. Oh, no. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Not R5 Studios. That's such a troll. Sorry, R5 Studios. Thanks for playing. And we gotta remove you. Next one to be eliminated is... Dun, 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 dun. Nick Tubner. Thanks for playing. I appreciate it. And remove. Next one to be eliminated is... Hold. Oh, Sling Trader. Sling Trader. It says winner. We do this just to troll the viewers. You're actually not a winner. You're a winner in your heart. And you're a winner because you made it on the wheel. But you will get nothing. That's what that means. And you will like it. All right. Next one to be eliminated is... Not Mooncatcher. Oh, man. Mooncatcher, I'm sorry, but thanks for playing. And we move on. We can't all be winners. Sling Trader got denied. Remove. And we are down to 5. Who is the next one to be eliminated? And it is... Dun, 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 dun. Alan Liang. You don't even get a participation trophy. I'm sorry, you get nothing. Thanks for playing, though. And remove. And we're down to 4. Fine, here we go. Next one to be eliminated is Steve Maltez. Thanks for playing. Appreciate your participation. Remove. Okay, guys, there is still one name on here that I really, really recognize. I am not going to say the name because supposedly that jinxes it. Here we go. Next one to be eliminated is... We do not want to see blue. No! You gotta be kidding. I just had to think of it, and then it did it. I'm sorry, Speed Racer. That was not my fault. I did everything I could. Thanks for playing. And the final one. All right, who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? We got Linus or Beza. Let's see. Uh-oh. And we have ourselves a winner. Dun 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 dun. The winner is Beza Kara. Are you in the chat? Please make yourself known. You do have to be present to win. You have 2 seconds to... Oh, there she is. Just kidding. Beza, congratulations, man. Congratulations. You have won the giveaway. You sustained. You held on the wheel of death and you survived. I'm going to give you my email address now. And I need you to send me an email. Congratulations, Beza. Beza Kara, congratulations. Send me an email. All right, everybody. Thanks for playing. I appreciate it. Yeah, we could jump in here. I don't think I'm going to do it. I'm happy with where we're at today. All right, Beza, just need you to send me an email. If I'm in a position, no, I'm not. Well, I guess I am. I am in a position. I'm currently sitting down. I think that counts as a position. Like, I'm sitting. That's, or is that not what you meant? Does anyone know any good jokes, Krista R? You need some good jokes? Let me think. Let me dig deep. See if I can get some good dad jokes. Dad jokes. What? I'm trying to think. I had some good one. I had some good ones, and I always go blank when I need them the most. What was the cow? What was the cow joke a couple weeks ago? Oh, okay, Beza. Hey, I just got your email. Thank you. I'm going to give you directions right now. All right, Beza, I just need you to enter the 4-digit code that I emailed you in, and we'll be good to go. Why do fathers take an extra pair of socks when they go golfing? In case they get a hole in one. I was mugged by 6 dwarfs. Not happy. Okay, why did the student eat a dollar bill? Because his mom told him it was lunch money. Oh my gosh. The word of the day is eclipse. When you fasten your seatbelt, make sure it eclipses. Yeah, the cow with no legs. What is that joke again? What do you call a cow with no legs? Someone help me. Hey, thank you. Thank you, Beza. You are good to go. I will now just need Hey, Hydrofarber. Take care, man. I forget what it's called. Well, the trade would have worked. It's all right. Yeah, whatever. All right. Is it ever going to make it above the 270s? This thing has been like the Great Wall of China. Ground beef. Yeah, that's what it is. I'm so terrible at remembering things that are. Why did Nutty Bar never invest in? I don't even know what that means. The cow with Then what is the cow with 3 legs? And then it's what do you call with a cow with 1 leg? I forget what that. Those are jokes I need. Lean beef. Yeah, lean beef. Oh, I need to remember these. Hey, we broke out. Breaking news. Get the press. Everybody, we broke out. We're at the 280s. Get the presses, folks. Now, let's see if we can actually hold it and just continue to rip. Rip it. Rip it. Man, I should be trading more than I am today. This is pretty good price action for me, and here I sit. I'm too busy. I got too many phone calls and etc. He was afraid it would shock ladies' returns. Nutty turns into a frog. That happens every day. Uh, Beza, if you're listening, if you don't have a PayPal email address, I can send it other ways as well. If you'd rather want to receive it some other way, just let me know. Oh, I. Okay, Beta. Yeah, just let me know. Where can you buy a drink at the mental hospital? They should make a Nutty Bar drink, you know, for real. And look at this. Now we pull all the way back again. I see what you're doing, market. Yeah, I see what you're doing. You're being difficult. You're being difficult today. But that's all right. Tempting to take a trade, but I'm not going to. How many PA accounts you have? How much you make in a month? Rolland? I mean, it just depends. I'm hoping to withdraw 20,000 this month. I'm hoping. And I have 13 PA accounts. And here we go again. Back up we go. I mean, this is actually really good trading for me, but I'm not taking the trades. Feels bad. Why did I name myself Nutty Bar Trading? Because I love nutty bars. I love me some nutty bars, so I decided I'm I just I have so like my default username, like playing video games and everywhere, I use Nutty Bar as kind of my online name. So it was just kind of natural to use Nutty Bar Trading for this, you know? Now here we are. Mooncatcher, yep. Nice, Brendan Douglas. Nice. Well, this thing is just gonna, let's see if we make new highs, get above the 290s. I still eat a nutty bar. Yes, I'm off my diet and I'm currently eating nutty bars every morning. And we just continue to go higher. Man. All right, hang on. Do you still hear? All right. I need to get this sorted. Give me a second. Hey, you went to the store for Little Debbie Nutty Bars after watching the channel. You you ended up getting fried apple pies instead. That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. I do like, you know, I do think a good, I do like a good apple fry pie. That those are really good. So all right. Oh man. Shoot. Way, we got ourselves a breakout. Hey, we got ourselves a breakout. 290s. Now see if we get through the 300s. Impressive. The bulls are in control today. Unless this just pulls back now. Oh, look at this thing rip through the 300s. Through the 300s, 310s. Wow, what a move. The bulls are in full control. Through the 315s. Man, I wish I was... Oh. What a move. Wow, 320s. Through the 320s. And the bulls are in full control. Oh my gosh, I'm muted again. Dang it. Dang it. Yeah, we're not trading Forex here, Lily Ford. This is NQ. If my channel's on delay, no. Make sure you're live. Yeah, it is a delay, like 5 to 10 seconds. Sorry, I was muted. Oh man. Oh, I'm so hesitant here. I just don't want to. This is one of those days where I'm up 150 and I'm totally fine with that, and um I don't want to. I just don't want to give it back, even though should have just took it. Oh man. I don't know if we can get this done or not. Do you use 2NQ as well when trading other accounts off? Live 2 NQ. If I'm being really aggressive, I will, but usually 1. 12. I think the auction is at 1 o'clock, John. Sorry, I need to do this. And now we're pulling back. All right. I am up enough to get a payout request next week. Let's go, Amelia. That's awesome. I would recommend don't trade. Don't do it, but that's awesome. Congratulations. Ooh, for how long I've been trading? I've been trading since about 9:30 this morning. Can you explain how you made 200 to 300 on each account yesterday with 1 NQ? I had a 22 take profit and I took 2 winning trades. Nice, Amelia. That's the first time. Okay, hang on. I got to take another phone call. All right, we're back. Oh my goodness. This day has turned into a... Oh, all right. Oh, what do I want to do? I'm very frazzled. I need... Gotta be kidding. Okay, I apologize, guys. I'm all kind of sorts. I gotta go. We need to do a giveaway. I will do a giveaway tomorrow for the OGs, but it's just things are a little bit crazy, and we gotta go. I will be back tomorrow. Oh man, it's just craziness, man. So anyway, guys, sorry cutting it. We're cutting it short, and I was kind of out of it this afternoon, or most of this morning. I was kind of out of it, so I will. I'm gonna end it here. Nothing bad happened. It's just I got way too much going on. And I'm trying to. I got like 10 different things I need to be doing, and I need to go do them. It can't wait. So I will be back tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Appreciate everyone. Hope you all have a green day, and God bless.